Soothing face mask with chamomile tea and oatmeal. This is an ideal mask to soothe the skin and give some moisture to its dry cells, because both oatmeal and chamomile have good calming and soothing properties. They provide an effective relief for red acne, inflammation, rosacea, sunburn, and skin itchiness. The basic ingredients for our mask will be oatmeal powder and chamomile tea, but you can also add other things if you want. To give you some examples, it can be raw honey, which is very nourishing, or argan oil, that prevents the moisture from escaping your skin, and to give your mask a healing effect, you can add lavender essential oil, which is calming too. Okay, let's see how to make the mask. Soothing face mask recipe. Our basic ingredients are chamomile tea, which should be cool, and 1 tablespoon of oatmeal powder. Now, take a small bowl, and add 1 tablespoon of oatmeal in it. The next step is to slowly pour the chamomile tea into the bowl, while mixing the contents with a spoon. How much tea do you need? Just add as much as you need to make a paste that is smooth and easy to spread. Once your paste is ready, the time has come to add the optional ingredients. It can be 1/2 teaspoon of raw honey, 1 drop of lavender essential oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of argan oil. Mix everything nicely, and apply onto your clean face, but avoid the mouth and eyes area. Let the mask sit on your face for 7 minutes, then gently rinse off with warm water, followed by cool water. After that, you can use 4 drops of argan oil to give your face additional moisture.